here at Buffalo, New York by the water, and I'll find out where I am and let you know. There's a little carnival over here. Sorry about my hair, it's really windy, but I'm going to show you how to make a balloon parrot. And what we're going to use for this is two 260s in any color. I'm going to use a Caribbean blue and a red one with about 4 finger tails on each one and make them nice and bushy. And to start, we're going to tie these ends together just like this. And I'm going to tie them 2 times because you don't want that coming undone. I'm going to make my parrot or red. What I'm going to do eventually is cut these off right up above the knot, but I'm going to wait a minute. Take the beak part, the blue one's going to be the beak, pull it down a little bit. Measure down about 4 fingers and twist these together, just like this. Then we're going to make the body bubble, which is going to be about 8 fingers down. So right here, we're going to twist off the bubble. And then we're going to measure back up with the red, and then back down the other side. Turn this around. Now this red part is going to be the tail of your parrot, and we're going to make 2 1-inch bubbles and pinch twist those. So this is the first one, and then this is the second one, and we're going to twist that around, and then take both of those pinch twists and turn them around, right like that. And then for the tail, we're going to squeeze this out. We're going to apply even pressure here and here to fill that out a little bit. And then this one's pretty tight, so I'm going to squeeze that up. And then spiral this around the whole way, right until you run out of inflated balloon. Wrap it around, and then you're going to pop or cut and tie this off. Oops, look at that in a minute. And then we're going to take one of the ends and tuck it through. And knot this 2 times so it doesn't come out. And then I'm going to put the eyes in. For the eyes, you just need a little piece of 260 white, little tiny bubbles. Make them smaller than the ones for the lions and the other ones, and just tuck those right in. And then you're going to take a pair of scissors and cut right up above this knot. And then cut right down here up above these knots so that these aren't sticking out. And then we're going to fill the eyes in with the 260. Let me get that. So right here, just fill little pupils in, give them little eyebrows. I like to put these on little sticks so they're sitting on a perch. You can also put them on a tree or whatever you want to do. And then there's little nostril bubbles. I like to do that too. And there is your 260 parrot.